Hello there, event rental professionals. This is Susanna. Today is all about showing an add-on that I created. I made two of them, 2 4-foot lengths of each style, and I'm going to show me putting them on this square wood arch that I've built a couple years ago that doesn't require any tools. You see that little cutout there? That's where the top beam drops in, because the top one looks exactly like that, but it has 2 blocks, one on each end, and those blocks drop right into that little cavity. Inside these wood posts are pipe and drape poles that are kind of supported with pieces of wood, and we foamed them up inside to keep a little bit more stability. And the base plates are basically pipe and drape poles bases, the standard ones that you would use for 8-foot heights. Anyways, for this demo, of course, I'm just going to use balloon ribbon to tie these pool noodles that I've cut in half, and I've put inexpensive, really cheap plastic flowers and greenery that I stuck into these pool noodles that I lengthwise cut in half. And what I did was I hot glued it all together so that I'm not losing any pieces along the way, ideally. If you actually offer setup, which I don't, then of course I would be zip tying them on or with wrapping them completely with fish line. You see, from a distance they look pretty good, but up close you can really see that they're plastic. But you know what, if they're up high and it's outdoors, they'll look great in photos. If it rains, nobody's getting stressed, right? If they're all really expensive silk flowers, I wouldn't be too happy if they got wet. I just threw up some green drape at the end to kind of show, hey, you can add more drape to one left side, right side. You can drape it across the top and have it come down in the middle even. There's so many ways to go about it. Just a quick demo here. I'm going to take down now this one again, and I'm going to show you the second one that I made. I did make 2 of them. They have some florals hanging down, so it's a different look. Again, cheap florals, plastic, polyester pieces that are hanging down. Again, nothing expensive, because I want it to be rentable and not have to stress about, customers ruining it. Here's some close-ups of that. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Be creative, add to your rental product so that you can upsell them something with whatever it is you already have. Like and subscribe, follow us on social media, and we'll see you on the next